Welcome to our channel. We're here to deliver daily, top-quality content that offers valuable insights into a wide range of products. Today, we've got something special for all you architects out there, the best laptops for architects. Stay tuned for the inside scoop on these game changers. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to never miss our exciting updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Dell XPS 17, 2021. The Surface Laptop Studio is a supremely useful Windows laptop with its 2-in-1 form, but many architects will want something larger than a 14.4-inch screen to work on. In steps the Dell XPS 17, a 17-inch laptop that's actually impressively portable. Laptops of this size tend to be large and uncomfortable to carry around, but when we reviewed the XPS 17, we were amazed at how slim it is for a 17-inch laptop. It's also not too heavy, weighing in at 2.21 kilograms for the starting model, just a little heavier than the MacBook Pro 16. This means you can carry it around while still benefiting from a much larger screen to comfortably work on. Power-wise, with configuration going up to an Intel Core i9 processor, 64 GB of RAM and an NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU, you should have no problem with any software you might use for rendering. Number 2. Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED. The Asus ProArt StudioBook is one of the Ascending brand's flagship models, and it is an absolute powerhouse for architects' high software demands. It extracts huge amounts of performance and keeps everything impressively cool at the same time, thanks to some nifty new cooling tech. And an additional boon here is the glass's free 3D. It makes any work involving three-dimensional space, especially useful for architects, more tangible and involved than ever before. It also breezes through 4K video, plays games, flies through image processing and looks good while doing it too. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. If you love the idea of a MacBook, but prefer using Windows to Mac OS, then the Surface Laptop Studio is an excellent choice. It boasts a gorgeous design and a premium build quality that challenges Apple's superiority. Windows 11 runs brilliantly and the Pixel Sense touchscreen is a pleasure to use. Best of all, it has a useful 2-in-1 form factor that allows you to slide the screen forward into an easel-like position, or completely flat over the keyboard, effectively turning the laptop into a large tablet with a touchscreen that's compatible with a stylus, which can be a real game-changer for design work, sketching and note-taking. The keyboard is very comfortable to use, and the battery life is excellent. All in all, it proves that Macs aren't the only option if you want a sleek, stylish and powerful laptop for working on. In fact, Windows alternatives can actually now offer versatile form factors that give them the edge for many users. Number 4. MacBook Pro 14-inch, 2021. The MacBook Pro 14-inch, 2021, offers a new MacBook size that sits comfortably in between the slightly too small 13-inch MacBook Pro and the larger 16-inch model. We found it offers a nice compromise between screen size and portability, while it comes with almost all of the same specs you get with the 16-inch device at number 1 on our list. The mini LED screen supports 1600 nits of peak brightness and the P3 wide color gamut, looking just as impressive as the larger model. And like the 16-incher, you have a choice of the M1 Pro or M1 Max Apple chip. A lot of architects will prefer having the larger screen, hence why this is lower down on our list, but if 14 inches is big enough for you to work on, or if you'll be hooking up to an external monitor anyway, then this is a great buy since it's a little cheaper too. Thin, light, elegant design and choice of two sizes, light, portable 13.5 or larger 15, that's perfect for split-screen multitasking. Number 5. Apple MacBook Air, M1, 2020. The MacBook Air, M1, 2020, is a more affordable alternative to the ultra-expensive MacBook Pro above, which makes it our choice for the best laptop for architecture students. These days, you can get it for around $850 or £899 if you wait for a discount, and they're becoming more and more frequent now that the newer 2023 MacBook has come out. It may not be as powerful as the laptop at number 1 on our list of the best laptops for architects, but it still offers good enough performance for most architects' needs, though highly complex 3D rendering may cause it to struggle. It's also wonderfully thin and portable, making it a practical option if you often need to carry a laptop with you. Excellent battery life helps with that too. All your existing apps work, including Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft 365, and Google Drive. Plus you can use your favorite iPhone and iPad apps directly on macOS. Altogether you'll have access to the biggest collection of apps ever for Mac. All available on the App Store.